So what did I do with the $840 I made? Silver. Buying kilos now. Freaking awesome. Hey, by the way, if anybody's out there and you want to sell, I'm in the market for these. I'm buying 1943 silver walkings. These are the Walking Liberty half dollars from 1943. If you got them in any good condition, I'm a buyer. I'll give you 35, 40 bucks each if you got any. What else did I buy? Oh, want to see something freaking cool? You put a Viking on a silver coin, I'm in. Got the Ultra Cameo Leaf Erikson, baby. Look at this with the ship on the back, graded. I love going to coin shows. I'm the youngest guy by 30 years when I go. Sitting there in a room with a bunch of World War II veterans. I walk in, I'm like, I love all of you guys. Sell me something. They love me too because I don't really just show me something that's cool. I'm in. I was like, give me something cool. Give me a Morgan. Give me a 89p. You got one? So yeah, these guys, they're like just fun. It's just fun. I just like it. I mean, I think I overpaid for a couple of these. I probably shouldn't have paid 60 bucks for this one. Yeah, probably paid, you know what? But I like these guys. What else did I get? I bought you want to see something cool? I don't know if you know. I mean, there's so many versions, but I bought some replica. I bought a replica Morgans. You know what I really like? These. By the way, where's my silver porn guy? Oh yeah. Oh. Oh yeah. You like that, you sick bastard? By the way, I still really have relatively no money in the market. I just keep buying silver coins. Oh, here they are. Look how beautiful these are. Just the Indian head. Bang. Just ultra freaking cameos. And these you get the Indian head and the buffalo. Woo! Look how nice and shiny. 27 bucks. Can't go wrong. You know, I paid up. I paid $35 for these. I mean, I dig them. That's the bull and the bear. But you pay up for the bigger design. I bought half-ounce rounds, more Morgans, half-ounce rounds. Bought a hunch. I don't even look at the prices anymore. I just keep clicking on buttons. So if you have any silver, I'm a buyer. You know, they say you shouldn't buy these 69s. You guys want to sell me some Silver Eagle 69s? I'm in. I'll buy them all from you. But the Eagles are going for way too much money right now. They're overpriced. I've been buying some uncirculated Morgans. Nice. Bunch of peace dollars from 1921. Nice. 22, sorry. 21 was still Morgan. Actually, that was the crossover year, right? Yeah. What else did I get? I don't know. Bought a case of 1,000 bullets. Anybody need some shotgun shells? I got about 5,000. I got 5,000 shells in my house now. Yeah, I got enough. I think I overdid it. I just bought another 1,000. I just saw an ad go by. I was like, hey, that's a good price. I just clicked the button, and next thing you know, I'm like, what did I buy? I thought I bought 100 rounds. I bought 1,000. I just clicked the button. I don't know. That's what pot does to you. Never shop when you're high. And I just seem to do that all the time. But more importantly, what's up, people? Hopefully, you're enjoying the greatest bull market that's ever been constructed by me. The capitulation that happened in June and November, we triple bottomed. We triple bottomed on January 6th. What more do you need? What more do you need? Enjoy the 3-week rallies when they come and milk them for everything you can. I mean, I'm a piker bitch this morning, but again, I'm in the 287 calls. Sorry, it started with the what we start with the 284s and then the 287s. You buy a contract at 50 cents, you can't be disappointed selling them at a dollar until they're at 450 and you're like, what did I do? That's a good problem. But you got to remember when you're buying 10 contracts at 50 cents and you're selling two at a dollar, two at $1.50, two at $2, two at 2.50, $3, and you get stopped out at two, you got to be happy. Because remember, there's going to be a day where you sell some at a dollar, sell some at $1.50. You're going to get stopped at a dollar, and then they're going to go to zero. If you get into the habit of always taking profits, the days where these trades don't follow through, you're not going to lose. That's the important part to take away. Yeah, you're going to wallow in misery like me most of the time. Oh, what am I doing selling these at a dollar? I suck. They're at $4 now. There's going to be days where you'll be like, hey, good thing I sold these at a dollar. They're at zero now. You got to remember. And when that day happens, try to revel in that day. And remember, when the trade rolls over and doesn't work like Bed Bath and Beyond, and you're not in the name and you've saved some money, that's a good trade. I went, what did I do? 9 for 19 on Friday. All my losses were Bed Bath and Beyond, Carvana, and Netflix. Didn't even make it made a dent in my day, but the Qs paid for everything. The Qs have already paid for all of my mistakes I'm about to make in the whole year. Yeah. The Qs have already outperformed. We've already got a 10% rally. We've made collectively 10,000% on options in the Qs, right? A lot of what you're going to get has already happened now. Now we're going to consolidate and we're going to see where we go from here. But you got to understand something. There are signs that I saw that I knew the bear market was coming in February of 2021. That's why I started making those videos. The imminent bear market that was coming, February 2021, I started talking about it, confirmed by Goldman Sachs at the beginning of 2022. Anyway, none of that matters now, right? But the same things I saw on the way up. Hold on. Yeah. GNS one more time. GNS. Yeah, this stupid stock. Hang on. I might have to put a trade on. It doesn't want to die. I'm probably going to have to buy it. So I got 375, 377. It's a key level right here. You know what? I kind of don't even want to do this because you know what? Fuck it. I'm not doing it. I'm already done for the day. I'm not going to start trading every shiny object that goes by. I got my shiny objects. So what the hell was I just saying? Oh, the reason I became super bullish was Lululemon and Discover Financial and the banks. The banks were gapped down 2 Fridays ago and they all rallied. Bullish. Lululemon. I told you this story, right? This is how you do your research. The research you need to do in the market is as simple as just common sense. Lululemon, the numbers are going to be so bad that they had to pre-announce their earnings. Right, Humble Trader? You know about this, Humble Trader? Let me teach you something. So when a company pre-announces, that means the quarter is so bad. They need to give the investors a heads up to cushion the blow of how awful everything is. So Lululemon, 8 days ago, comes out and says, we stink. All those hot moms that you love at the supermarket, they're not going to be wearing Lululemon anymore, which was the most disappointing part of the conference call. When they said that those beautiful Italian women with their Lululemons and that jet black hair that I love so much, you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, you do. They're all dolled up and they go to the supermarket. You know I'm looking at you, honey. I put the pineapple in the cart upside down to see if they approach me. They never approach me. If you don't know about the pineapple upside down, that's how you tell them you're looking for swingers. That's right. It's all going down at the Wegmans. But I digress. Lulu is telling me all these beautiful women don't want to wear Lululemon anymore. And I'm thinking, man, shit, that stock just got hammered. And it goes down and it goes down and it goes down. Nobody wants to own it. They're pre-announced. And then it turned. And then it turned. And then it broke VWAP. And I said to everybody, well, I guess the news is already baked in. We've sold off 35 points. Buy Lululemon. 292 with a 289.50 stop. The stock then proceeds to go right back to where it came from and then some, and makes it all back and then some. Jerry, all back. It makes it all back in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. It makes it all back. Bull market. When stocks are being bought on dips and capitulation and GNS at 375, you asshole, why did I just buy this? I told you I wasn't going to trade, and I bought it anyway. I'm an idiot. That's why. I'm in. It better work. Why did I buy this? Why am I trading while I'm doing this video? Why? What am I here to prove? 374. All right, 376. All right, cool. 377. Let's go. I shouldn't be in this trade, and I'm trading. I can't stop. I have an addiction. You know what? I don't even want to be in this trade. I don't want to. Why am I doing this? Why am I even doing this? I'm selling it. 375. I'm taking my $20. I'm out. Well, not yet. 75 sold. A few hundred. I got 600. Let's go. Shouldn't be trading and talking. Anyway, sold it. Made $1.12. I just made $1.12. No, seriously, $1.12, like net value. That's $1.12 I made. Shouldn't be trading anyway. Days over, weeks over, months over, years over. So Lulu freaking Lemon comes all the way freaking back. So the other day, Dreyfus Financial, man, I'm old, Dreyfus. You guys remember Dreyfus? Discover Financial, DF freaking S. Gap down on bad numbers. And then I said, the stock's breaking VWAP. Buy it. But they just reported bad numbers. I know. Buy the stock because it's breaking VWAP. They work even better when the numbers are bad and then it breaks VWAP. And I don't want you to sell it unless it rolls over and breaks down under that 97.50 again. Fast forward to today. Where's DFS? 110. Bull market. Stocks are being bought on dips. Stocks are being bought on earnings reports that are bad. Bad news priced in. Bull market. Will it last more than another couple of weeks, months, years? I don't know. But right now, bull market. It keeps being confirmed. Stocks are being bought on dips. Markets opening up. The dips are being bought. The Q's breaking 3-month highs. Stocks are breaking 3 months and 6-month highs. You don't do that in bear markets. Well, Kenny, isn't it just a bear market bounce? Could be. But who cares? Play the bar, whatever you want to call it. Bear market bounce or bull market. Does it matter? Just be involved. Make money. Crush it. Put your stop on. Right? Rig. Right? Oh, man, that rig pulled back 40 cents after I bought it. And now where is it up? 80 cents from where you were about to sell it. Bull market. That BTU pulled back to 25 again. It held. Now it's the 28. Bull market. You want to know another thing that you want to look at? You know cryptocurrency? You guys heard of Bitcoin? Worthless. Worthless. It's fake currency. Oh, but you don't know about the blockchain. Fuck the blockchain. Yeah, I said it. Fuck the blockchain. And fuck the Diaz brothers. I don't care about the blockchain. I don't care about what you think you know. Here's the one thing you need to know about cryptocurrency. When it's going up, risk on, buy it, and then buy the market. Because if people are buying worthless currency, that means things that are a little bit less worthless are also now becoming more valuable. So if Bitcoin's rallying, buy the stock market. When you got stocks like space, they don't even have a spaceship. It's broken. And the stock's gone up 30% this week. Bull market. When stocks are doing things that they're not supposed to be, meaning going up when everything seems awful, that's your sign. Join in. Join in for however long it lasts. I don't know how long this market going up could last. The last time it lasted for 2.5 years. Tom Hanks got COVID. Holy shit, sell everything. Ah! 2 years later, you're like, what did I do? Oh shit. Fuck you, Tom Hanks. The Tom Hanks bottom began the greatest market rally in history. And you're seeing the same shit here. Everybody's waiting for this magical moment. Whoa, when the coast is clear, I'm going to get right back in. No, you're not. Because that's the funny part about the coast is cleared nudniks out there. Yeah, there's going to be this huge banner. I'm going to get an alert that now the coast is clear. No, you're not. Oh, when this, okay, I missed this first move. When this market pulls back, I'm going to load up. No, you're not. Because while we're pulling back, you'll think that's the new bear market and you'll just sit on the sidelines again. And when are you going to buy? When it breaks back over the highs from where it came from. And you'll say, oh, man, I really wish I would have bought it over there. Don't be delusional. I'm a walking documentary of delusion. Every mistake I've made is every mistake everybody makes. Just hold your nose and get in. You missed the bottom. Don't miss the 10% up. My wife she's nailing it. I've been married for 25 years. She is sick of hearing the same story every time. Oh, I sold it and then it went up. Why didn't you buy it back if you thought it was going to go up more? Well, I just sold it. I didn't want to buy it right back. It was higher. Did you think it was going to go higher? Yeah. Well, then why didn't you buy it back? Well, because you're an idiot. Stop making sense. You're an idiot. I don't want to buy it back. Because we're bent on this idea that you're going to be able to buy low and sell high. That's bullshit. You buy high while we're going up and you sell higher. That's how it is. And it's annoying. It's annoying. I don't want to buy the Qs back right now, but if they consolidate up here and they start to rally again, I'm going to have to buy them. I was in from 272 this whole began. What do I got left? Nothing. No, I got nothing left, but we got to 287.50. That was my goal. This market is awesome. Round and round. I mean, I hope we don't, and again, this is crazy to say, I hope we don't go any higher. You give me 257 to 290 on the Qs for the next 6 months, round and round and round, we're going to be freaking awesome. You give me one Friday, like the Fridays we've had. You need one Friday a month. We've had every Friday's been an extravaganza. All you need is one. We're getting them every week. And my mistake, again, the one mistake I consistently make is I don't buy calls when I'm feeling the coast is clear. I sell puts. So I thought the market made a turn. I'm sitting there going, I could sell a June 220 put for $4. We're not going to 220. So I sell the contract at $4. Great, they're $2. I'm up $2. I got to wait till June and be exposed to that risk till June to make the other $2. Or I could have just bought the stupid calls, the 280s for June at $4 and now banging them out at 12. Trade's over. So that's been my mistake. I see the market. I know risk is on. I get into a habit where I'm like, all right, I could sell. This is free money here. I could sell puts here, like SOXL, SOXL, SO freaking XL. Sure, I got the stock. Yeah, I got a couple of call spreads on, but most of what I have is naked puts on SOXL. If I would take that same risk, I'm exposed to buying 10,000 shares of SOXL. Sure, I got fives, fours, and threes. I'm selling puts on those, but I'm still exposed to 5, 4, and 3. If I just take that risk appetite and I buy the $10 calls for June at $1, I'm up 400% and I don't have to wait. So that's been my mistake, and that's kind of what I'm in right now. I've sold puts on the rig, I've sold puts on the Qs, I sold puts on AMD, SOXL, Lululemon. But what do I got to show for it? I still got to wait to scrape up the last 20, 30 cents. When risk is on, you just go calls. And once again, that's been my mistake so far for 2023. I put money to work where the risk and the reward is against me. Shouldn't do it. Dumb. And now I'm paying for it because here's where I thought we'd be. And what do I have to show for it? Yeah, I made a little bit, but having the Qs at 290, or where are we at now? 290? Not being long and calls, and it's just a lot of money left on the table. But if we consolidate here, man, we consolidate up here. We got the 303. You get over 303 on the Qs, we might have another 10% from there. A lot of people are going to chase the market. A lot of people frustrated like I am right now. I had the lows. But you know who's not frustrated? My dad, Big Al. Big Al buying the Qs every freaking week, every goddamn buying the Qs, buying the Qs, buying the Qs. And for a while there, I was like, Dad, please stop buying the Qs. I was like, wait a second. He's like, why? You know they're going to be back to 350 in a couple of years. I'm like, yeah, I guess. How do you lose money? Just trade one earnings reversal a week, man. So, humble trader, I haven't said hello yet. Good morning, good afternoon. My name's Kenny Glick. My phone number is 917-521-4827. I'll be in Brooklyn tomorrow with the Trade Zero guys if you want to come visit. Let's get to know each other. We'll see if we like each other. It'll be like a blind date. We'll hang out. I'll buy lunch and dinner. By the way, you married, humble trader? I don't know what I would do if my wife was like with me. My wife's in a whole different industry, which is great. I make the money, she buys the buildings. My wife, oh, by the way, if anybody needs mortgages on commercial loans, that's the other part of the Glick empire. My wife keeps it all together. I'm just a freaking nudnik. Without my wife, I'd be probably living in the streets by now, demented and insane. Oh, then again, just living in the streets, I'm already demented and insane. Doesn't take much. But my wife, in the middle of the freaking pandemic, she's finding these deals on commercial real estate. And I'm thinking, are you nuts? I'm not buying office space in the middle of a pandemic. And she's like, they're selling the building 60% cheaper than it's worth now. Imagine when it starts to increase in value after the pandemic, how much this thing's going to be worth. And my wife nailed it. I mean, I own an office building. can't believe what I own. And I cannot believe the offers that are rolling in for people who want to buy the building from us only 3 years later. That's why I'm still married. You can't do that, Humble Trader. Actually, who am I kidding? Humble Trader's doing 100K a month making videos on YouTube doing pole dancing. Tried to get my wife to do some pole dancing. She fell. She broke her hip. And then I had to return the pole to Spencer Gifts. It was terrible. They said it could support 200 pounds. Nah, my wife went straight down. It was not a fun night. And if you're buying a pole for your wife at home, don't get it at Spencer Gifts. I think it was a gag. And then I bought fart spray while I was there too. Remember fart spray? What the hell am I even talking about right now? What's the earnings lotto you playing today? No, it was the Qs. The Q lotto play was today. Come by the site. We got plenty to choose from over this week. We got Tesla on Thursday, which is going to be sick. Tonight, what are we looking at? Not much going on tonight. But you know what else is interesting? We got the Summit 650s. That's our lotto for the week. I got TBLA. Bought more of that on Friday. Just for you guys, if you're looking to build a portfolio with me. Portfolio. DDD was interesting today. Triple D waking up over 10. Keep an eye on that. But nah, I'm most of the you got some banks tonight, but looking forward to tomorrow, Tuesday morning. Johnson Johnson, Verizon, GE, Halliburton, 3M, Raytheon, Travelers. It's gonna be a big morning. And then obviously I think Thursday at the close, right? A couple more airlines, JetBlue and American Airlines. And then you got Intel, Clack, and of course, isn't Tesla Thursday night or is it Wednesday night? Maybe Wednesday night on Tesla. Yeah, Tesla and IBM, Lam Research, Las Vegas Sands. You're going to get a CSX. We're going to get a feel for what this market wants to do this week. And then we got all tech next week. So that should be fun. And yeah, let's just, kick ass. And I'm probably cutting off monthly access to my website and to Money Map Press. So if you're thinking about join soon. Because I'm not dealing with this monthly bullshit no longer. Pay up for a year. You don't make $37.50 a year with me, you're clueless of what to do with this valuable information. $37.50. What's that number? I don't know. There's the GNS trade. There you go, Holmes. Yeah, you still got it? Yeah, good job. $4 now. See what I do for you? I didn't even know I still had it. This is why I started ripping. I can't lose money even if I try to lose money. Are you kidding me? GNS. Good thing I sold a whole bunch at $375. Wow. What are you kidding me? Hilarious. Just had to wait. By the way, if you don't know about this GNS trade, the company hired some lawyers to go after the fake shorters. This should have been a story about a year ago. Like all the people that think they lost their money because there's a synthetic shorting going on. No, your stock just sucks and should have been shorted to zero. That's reality. But GNS, they hired, stock was 40 cents the other day. We traded it up to 6, I think, the other day. You're sick. But you just witnessed how I just fucked this trade up live, right? Selling it at 375 because I didn't want to be in it. I held 100 shares. Next thing you know, it's at 420. It's just so sick. No matter what I touch, it goes up after I get out. It's incredible. You don't want me to buy the market like with enthusiasm because then it'll crash. Right now, I'm the one who's keeping this market afloat right now. If I get too super bullish, it'll be over. If I would have bought 8,000 shares of GNS, the stock would have been halted in at 12 cents by now. It'd be down 40 grand. Yeah. Just amazing how it's every trade I do. So sick. I can't believe this thing went to 450. You gotta be kidding me, man. We're never going down again. I'll say it. Oh man, I I hit some good ones this weekend, man. I hit the parlay. I took all the favorites in a parlay. Nice. Just money line parlay. The only way you're going to make any money betting favorites is you got to parlay them. But that's why most people lose. Parlays stink because it's hard enough to pick one winner, try to pick four, but I did it. But my favorite bet was I did a 10-point teaser. I had Philly +2. That game was over in the first 5 minutes of the game. I had Philly +2, Jacksonville +19.5. Jacksonville +19.5, Cincy +14, and Dallas +14. How you doing? And then I had the money line. I had Philly parlayed with San Fran money line. I think the Buffalo Bills, right? I don't care what they did all season. I think they're the most overrated team in the history of the NFL. Stuck with that. Went Cincinnati straight up. Um, by the way, if you want to know how I judge my teams, if you lost to the Jets, you suck. And the Bills lost to the Jets. I know they beat them the second time, but then there's something called P then Q. It's statistics, right? P then Q, modus tollens, modus ponens. If you guys took the statistics. So if the team struggled to beat the Jets, and then your team struggled to beat the team that struggled to beat the Jets, your team still sucks. So P then Q equals R. The Bills suck. The Bills suck. They almost lost to the Dolphins, who almost lost to the Jets. They only managed to score 9 points off the Jets when they needed the game. And the Bills almost lost to the Jets. The Bills suck. Joe Burrow is a winner. And Josh Allen is a loser. What's he won? Nothing. You stick with the winners, just like the market. Now, I wish I would have bet more than $50 on that parlay, but still hit it. Yeah, I don't go crazy on parlays because they usually stink. You put 50 to win 400 and you win the 400. Why not? Yeah, I put like 100 and what I bet 180 on the teaser. I put 250 on the other one. I'm not a crazy. Oh, I am not betting against Burrow. Yeah, I'm over Mahomes. I like Mahomes. I like the Chiefs. I like Andy Reid. That stadium's hard to play in, but I like Joe Burrow better than all of them. So I usually don't bet my heart, but I'm taking Bengals and the Prince. They're definitely underdog, right? I would take Bengals and the points. These are too tough. These are extremely tough games. But San Fran, they showed you that, well, Dallas is not that good. They stomped on a beat up Brady. But again, my heart, I hate Philly. So I'm rooting hard for San Fran. I usually don't bet when I have a rooting interest. So I'm going to lay off that game. I think Philly wins the game because I hate them so much. But I'm rooting for San Fran. And if I had to put it in on a bet, I'm doing I'm taking I would take Bengals, San Fran, and tease those because they're actually I haven't checked who's underdog in that game. That's almost like a pick 'em, right? It is. Oh, they're both pretty much pick 'ems. Bengals are only getting a point. I thought it would be 2.5 to 3. Wow. How about a 2-point tease? Give me 8.5 on the Niners, and give me 7 with the Bengals in a 2-point in a 2-team 6-point tease. That's where I'd probably go. Keep it close. Both games are close. Get yourself over a touchdown. I like that. Joe Burrow's not getting blown out. Niners ain't getting blown out by the Eagles. And then again, if there is going to be a blowout, you could see the Eagles stomping on the Niners. The rookie quarterback might have, one bad game. He's flawless right now, but one bad game and he's getting stomped on. But I would still take both underdogs, but I would tease them. All right, I'm going to go to sleep now because this day is so done. I can't believe this fucking thing went to 420. Stupid. Oh, man. Oh, God. I wonder if I could come on. And you realize that I come on, I mention a couple of stocks. They always seem to follow through. I'm this good, yet I don't have anything to show for it in that GNS trade. Stupid. Amazing. Anyway, yo, I'll see you soon. By the way, if anybody wants to come see All Them Witches March, they're coming back to Brooklyn. You have no idea what I'm talking about now, so I'll leave. Later. Humble Trader, call me.